IKEA for an Easter egg hunt event. So let's go inside and see what it's all about. There is a line outside the building for this Easter egg hunt event. The door has finally opened to IKEA and the line is moving. So we are rounding the corner. The entrance is just right there. And the line is still all the way back there. And IKEA entrance. Go see the Easter Bunny. Edison, go say hi. All right, 1, 2, 3. Hey. All right, come on. You can see Sasha right there with Sandy. Hi, Sandy. Look in the cabinets. Look behind things. So I'm not sure why they did it like this, but they already sent kids to let them go Easter egg hunting before all the other kids got up here. Oh, and he found some. Amazing. Yay! Edison is finding so much. I hope Dalton is getting video of Dawson because I'm not with him right now. But Edison is doing so good.
All right, Dawson. How about it? You better get to looking. Excuse me. Here. Let's start here. Look at you. Filling up already. Oh, straight ahead, Dawson. Straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. No, over here. Timothy. Here. Dawson, you better start looking higher. They tucked them everywhere. You are racking up. They probably didn't bury them. They're probably sitting where you can see them.
Hey, look! I'm super surprised. Not. Oh, that's not what I need.
Hey, Edison, you missed one in the fridge.
Yeah, I know, and this in here.
You missed one in the refrigerator. There's another one in the fridge.
This is not the fridge, Mom.
I know, there was another one in the fridge. Oh my gosh, he's like just... Keep looking. Keep looking. Look down. Edison is just going. This is what Easter egg hunting looks like in IKEA.
This is getting crazy. Got a hat full and a basket full. There he is. He moves too fast for me with all these eggs.
Any more eggs? Go for it. I could never know. Thank you.
Filling up the shoe. I knew the shoe. The shoe always comes in handy, huh?
Everything works.
Every year.
I didn't even use my other shoe.
No.
Over here.
You're gonna have to keep a shoe on.
Okay. Hands over here.
We should have brought a bag or a box. I meant to buy a box. Oh, sorry. Son,
I have a question. Should we just grab one of these boxes and just start using it?
you might have to because you're running out of room. Well, maybe not one of those.
Taking.
Maybe go buy your mom a bag or something. Or maybe we should leave some for everybody else. No.
No.
The Easter egg master. Because I'm running out of hands. Oh,
I have my pocket.
get a cart.
Get a card.
Smart. So smart. There you go. There you go. Here, why don't you put your shoe back on?
Yeah, I'm emptying out my shoe. You know?
All right. You got your shoe. I got the cart. Make sure you leave some for everybody else. There's a ton of them, though. Dawson.
What are we kidding?
This is crazy. There's so many eggs. What is going on, Dawson? Oh, to your left.
I'm not going to do that one.
This is chaos.
Edison, have you looked in like the drawers and stuff too? You're just like walking past everything. We're in here now looking for eggs. Make sure you check the drawers. And on this side too, Edison. Yeah. Checking every inch. Edison is. That's a drawer. Looking in every inch and crevice there is.
I won't find another one.
I'll probably find more. We're still searching. Now we're gonna take a pizza break. Pizza. Num num nums. Nom. Found one! Yay, Edison! Edison found the guy that was putting out eggs and started following him, and I made him stop. It's like, Edison, we can't just be following the guy with the eggs.
How many did they put?
I don't know. Can you give me a kebab? I'm hungry.
Kebab?
Yep, I would love a kebab.
A kebab.
A kebab. Num num nums. Oh, yeah. See Cocoa Puffs? Oh my goodness, Cocoa Puffs.
I'm gonna go.
Don't eat the Cocoa Puffs. This is the longest Easter egg hunt we've ever been to.
Yes.
All right, so that was Easter egg hunting here at IKEA Orlando, and that was fun. They had face painting and they also had balloon art. Look at that. That was a very fun, relaxing.
Yes.
Not too chaotic.
Not too chaotic.
It wasn't too chaotic of an Easter egg
I
hunt.
thought it'd be like everybody being crowded and running around, and everybody just like ruining everything and jumping around.
Yeah.
But it was peaceful. Like there was not that many people for here.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.